Hello, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. It's been a very quiet week without me posting a lot. I'm going to show you what's been going on, what I've been seeing. So today is Halloween, October 31st. In here, I've been testing a lot of tick data, tick trading, and I've been sending out some theoretical trades, and it's pretty good on a call it a high frequency level. I just hit my first restriction, but I wanted to focus on the type of coins that are being bought and sold. So in here, I have a list of coins. I think I've shown this before, of maybe the top, let's say 7, 8, top 10 coins in crypto land measured by market cap, volume, liquidity, so on and so forth. So we're including Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, Litecoin, Monero, just for I like Monero, BNB, Binance Coin, and XRP. I just added XRP actually. So here they are. These are what gets traded. These are some of the results. This does very well when it trades, and what I'm seeing is most of it is by without a doubt Bitcoin. Okay, and here's the trading condition as I put in the description of the video. I only measure the order book bid and asks with those that have measurement of buys versus sells. That's defined as in Binance or long and short. So essentially, let's say out of 10, which you'll get at a snapshot when you request through the Binance Futures API, you'll get 10. In that, you will get 10 buy or sell. And usually what I look for a potential entry, among other things, but this is just one of the core elements, is that I look for 6 out of 10, maybe 7, that are buys. Because obviously when you have enough buys out of 10, chances are the price will move up. And it does. And I've shown that in the theoretical profit here. So I've been running it for 2 days, and I'd say 90% of it's Bitcoin. There is some Ethereum in there that pops in and out. That one's a little more wilder in terms of profit. So that means the Bitcoin will profit more when you get more, obviously, buys than sells, basic supply demand. And that is very, very predictable. But when the market or when the price of Bitcoin starts to get driven down, you're going to take a lot of losses. So you got to measure using this type of metric. I have to say that Binance is very generous with that. They have the ability to enable you not just to get the price on the order book, but the quantity of the bid or the ask. Very helpful, obviously. Some have said if you see big orders, I've tracked that for the last 5 days. Unless it's a whale order, but generally, if it's above the standard deviation 2, I don't see a lot of impact on the price. I just think there's so much volume being pumped through Bitcoin, it has very little impact on the price. It may be more so on Ethereum, and as you can see here, we get the occasional order for Litecoin. So with Bitcoin, when the conditions are right, you can make a ton of money, no doubt. But you got to, as I said, you got to be very aware of the conditions when it's dropping, because you'll lose a ton of money, like way worse than profiting. So with that can be said with that. Ethereum, there is a harder opportunity to make money with Ethereum. Just looking at these right here, I haven't done the full analysis, but I do believe if I was to look at it, Ethereum would be not as profitable, nor as profitable trading Bitcoin. As I said, there's Litecoin as well. Not as much opportunity there, and I wouldn't be surprised that the profit potential with Litecoin is worse. Now, again, this all depends upon the market regime, meaning that Bitcoin's moving a lot and it's moving up a lot. Like there's an upward momentum of Bitcoin, which indirectly affects the other coins. But most of the volume is being pumped through Bitcoin, without a doubt. As I said, the reason I wanted to highlight these other coins here is they're not to be found in the trading conditions that I've shown. They don't get traded at all. So if I'm looking at the top 10 coins, meeting those conditions of 6, 7 buys out of 10 in that snapshot, chances are the only ones that are going to be met are Bitcoin, 90% out of the total selection of those coins. And then maybe you might find some Litecoin, and you'll find more Ethereum. But the thing is that definitely, Bitcoin is the king, without a doubt. So knowing that, let's check out some other fun stuff. I gotta quit this thing. All right, so I wanted to talk about that, what I'm seeing, and namely, if you're into this, as I'm pretty open about it. Well, a lot more open than most people. The quantlabs.net, if you want to get some free trading books, just going over to this, quantlabs.net, opt in. If you want to know more about we have very few branded USB keys. I'm going to shift them over to the generic brand of USBs. So if you want one of these, just go to quantlabs.shop and look for under the catalog collection. Well, it's a pretty under here under USBs. You'll get any of these. These are all the same. For $25, I'll ship one out for you. And that's pretty well it. Hopefully you got some info there, and that's useful. I'll put up some more info as well. What I do worry about this type of strategy, it's great when the market conditions are there. I'm going to have to look at other smaller strategies to be able to do something similar with the coin movers, like the ones that are moving at the time I have all the scripts there to do that. All right, so we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a good day.